Here we are also featuring the Domino 8 Maxi. So this is also going to be a new color choice for 2020. I actually really like this color. It's like a brown, kind of bronzy color. Now this is going to be different. The blue color that I showed you has kind of like a nice glossy finish to it. This is more of a porous, so when you touch it, it's kind of like gritty. It adds a nice texture and a nice look to the stove, but if you were to spill something on this while you were cooking, I would say that this is going to be a little bit more difficult to clean than the glossy panel finish. This is the Domino 8. This is the Maxi. This is the stove burning. You can tell it burns very clean, very hot. Nice flame. I hope you guys find this product overview helpful. Thanks for watching.